Hi, I'm Paris and I'm going to show you some delicious plant-based meals that you can have for breakfast, and they all work out at about $5 or less per plate. They're also all meals that you can throw together in 30 minutes or less, so they're super easy.
First up is tofu scramble. This recipe serves 4, but you can double or half it as needed. Take 3 to 4 cups of your favourite vegetables. We've used white button mushrooms and red capsicum. Depending on what texture you like, you can use firm or soft tofu. Turn your pan onto a medium heat and add some oil or water to the pan to stop the tofu sticking. Grab the tofu with your hands and crumble it. Add 1 cup of soy milk, or extra if it starts drying out too much. Add some salt and pepper to the pan. Now add your veggies to the pan and stir through. Let them cook until softened. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric and stir through until the mixture turns a lovely golden colour. Remove from the heat and serve on a piece of toast of your choice. Next up, we're going to be making cranberry and peanut butter granola. This recipe makes about 6 cups of granola. First up, preheat your oven to 180 degrees, bake. Add 4 cups of rolled oats to an oven-proof dish. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add half a cup of sunflower seeds, a cup of pumpkin seeds, and add half a cup of dried cranberries. Mix it all together. Add 1/4 of a cup of date syrup. Add 1/4 of a cup of peanut butter. Mix it all together until well combined. Now pop your dish into the oven and bake for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take it out and give it all a good stir. Now pop it back into the oven for another 6 to 7 minutes. Make sure you keep an eye on it and take it out when it's looking golden brown. Serve with fresh fruit and your choice of plant-based milk or yogurt. Lastly, we have banana pancakes. This recipe creates enough pancakes for 1 hungry person, but you can double or triple the recipe as needed. In a large bowl, add 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. In a separate bowl, mash 1 large ripe banana. Make a well in the dried ingredients. Now add the banana. Add 3/4 of a cup of soy or other plant-based milk. Now whisk until the mixture is smooth. Turn your pan on to a medium heat. Now add a good spoonful of plant-based butter or oil of your choice. Using a large serving spoon, scoop a good spoonful of the mixture into the pan. Tilt the pan to spread it out. Let the mixture sit until it bubbles on top. Then using a spatula, flip the pancake. Cook until it's brown on both sides. Stack your pancakes and serve with fresh fruit and a syrup of your choice. We've used date syrup.